Hi everyone. So let us today take one of the questions. And I think last we did a behavioral kind of a question. So today let us focus on product sense or execution. This I think I have done. Yes, let us take this one. Drivers are dropping out of a city on lift. How do you figure out what's going on? Yes, so let me zoom it in a little bit. Drivers are dropping out of a city on lift. How do you figure out what's going on? This has been asked at Google over 3 other. So we will follow the approach that we have been following, clarifying questions, if anything that we have, and then we can find out what exactly is happening. Clarifying, then user groups, pain points. Third would be the user group, and then we can look towards solutions we can offer, and then any trade-offs. So this is the approach that we are going to follow. So first we would like to clarify your thing, what is missing or what more information can we find out. So the prompt drivers are dropping out of a city on lift. How do you figure? So drivers are dropping out of a city. So let's say for a city, let's say since lift is not in India, so I would be taking a city for the USA. So let's say we are saying New York is the city. Drivers are dropping out, and drivers are dropping out. So if I have to write it down, the user groups here are drivers. We will go a bit deep in what are different types of drivers or what is their exact pain points. But for now, the user groups are drivers. So yes. So what more information can we think about drivers dropping out? So this dropping out. What is the number that we have? Is this a gradual process observed or a sudden dropout? And if anything, what is the rate of dropout? What is the rate of dropout? Is it 5%, 10%? Also, this rate is being compared to what exactly? What is the reference point for comparing this? A reference point of comparison. Because when we say something is cheaper, cheaper to exactly what? So that reference point has to be there. So let me just fill in this details. Let's say they are uh, gradually dropping out. This is a gradual drop, and the rate of dropout, let's say it's around 12%, and yes, around 12%. And the reference point for comparison is, let's say, quarterly quarterly rate of dropout. So this is the reference point for us when we say that there has been a dropout of drivers from the lift. And anything else that we can think about drivers? We have calculated the city. We have also, yes. So the okay, the reason being we will focus later, but I do not think anything else that we can think about. And yes, one more thing that we can do is we can look towards our set of dashboard, the uh, process how we calculate this dropping out or this logic, we can check with our team, internal team, that how we are calculating this dropout or how we are visualizing this dropout. Have we checked is there anything missing or any problem regarding this? So internal check regarding how we calculate this dropout. So we can do this internal check with let's say data analytics team, and we can, supposing that data analytics team comes up with a confirmation that there is no uh, changes in the logic or everything works fine from the data angle. So we can corroborate this with the other teams. Let's say we corroborate this with the marketing team, sales team, or the customer success team, because any uh, metrics or any sign of symptoms that we see on the dashboard, this relates to multiple other, this relates to multiple other verticals also.